Picture this, you're on a winding mountain road, the sun is shining, and the horizon stretches endlessly before you. The engine beneath you hums with power, and every twist of the throttle sends a thrill through your veins. This isn't just any motorcycle, this is the Kawasaki Versys, a machine that redefines what it means to explore. If motorcycles had a personality, the Versys would be the adventurous globetrotter, the one that's always ready for the next journey, whether it's a cross-country tour or a quick ride through the city. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement that says you don't just ride, you conquer the road. The Kawasaki Versys isn't just a motorcycle, it's a revolution. Since its debut, it has become one of the most versatile bikes on the market, thanks to its perfect blend of performance, comfort, and adaptability. It's the vehicle of choice for riders who want it all. A bike that can handle the daily commute, a weekend getaway, or an epic cross-country adventure. But what makes the Versys so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just a motorcycle, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about adventure bikes in general. Myth number 1. Adventure bikes are too big and heavy for city riding. Wrong. The Versys is proof that adventure bikes can be nimble and versatile. With its lightweight design and responsive handling, it's just as at home in urban traffic as it is on open highways. Myth number 2. Adventure bikes are only for off-road enthusiasts. Think again. While the Versys is capable of tackling light off-road trails, it's also designed for paved roads, making it the perfect all-rounder. And myth number 3. Adventure bikes are uncomfortable for long rides. Not the Versys. With its ergonomic design, adjustable windscreen, and plush seat, it's built for comfort, whether you're riding for an hour or a full day. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a companion for every kind of journey. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the Versys even more. Did you know that the Versys is powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine that delivers 68 horsepower and 47 pound-feet of torque? That's enough power to tackle highways, twisty mountain roads, and everything in between. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Versys features Kawasaki's trellis frame, which combines lightweight construction with exceptional rigidity, providing a smooth and stable ride no matter the terrain. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a marvel of engineering. But the Versys isn't just about power, it's also about comfort and convenience. The bike features an adjustable windscreen that lets you customize airflow for a more comfortable ride, whether you're cruising at high speeds or navigating city streets. The seat is designed for long-distance comfort, with a relaxed riding position that reduces fatigue on longer trips. And with its 17-liter fuel tank, you can go the distance without constantly stopping for gas. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a practical, everyday companion. Think about the last time you felt the call of the open road. The Versys is here to answer that call. With its versatile design and adventure-ready features, it's the perfect bike for exploring new horizons. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a cross-country tour, or just a ride through the countryside, the Versys is ready for anything. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a ticket to adventure. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Versys isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a riding experience that's as thrilling as it is reliable. The Versys is powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, responsive power across the entire rev range. The 6-speed transmission ensures that you always have the right gear for the situation, whether you're accelerating onto the highway or navigating a tight corner. And with its 41mm front forks and horizontal back-link rear suspension, the Versys provides a smooth and stable ride, even on rough roads. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a machine that's built to perform. But what really sets the Versys apart is its versatility. This is a bike that can do it all. Need a commuter bike for the daily grind? The Versys has you covered, with its nimble handling and fuel-efficient engine. Planning a weekend adventure? The Versys is ready, with its comfortable seat, adjustable windscreen, and ample storage options. Want to explore off the beaten path? The Versys can handle light off-road trails, thanks to its rugged design and capable suspension. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a Swiss Army knife on two wheels. So, what does the Kawasaki Versys mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to choose. You can have performance and comfort, versatility and style, adventure and practicality. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and adventurous as you are. It's a motorcycle that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're exploring new roads, commuting to work, or just enjoying a weekend ride, the Versys is a bike that makes every moment unforgettable. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of riders who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of two-wheeled adventure, and the beauty of smart design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most iconic vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in motorcycle technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Kawasaki Versys isn't just a motorcycle, it's a revolution. A revolution that says you can have it all: performance, comfort, and adventure. It's a motorcycle that doesn't just get you where you need to go, it makes the ride itself an adventure. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of the Versys? Because this isn't just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.